Alright guys, it's me again. I just thought I'd make a quick video here. I have this ASSA Ruko 2. It's got the green stripe right here. It's got the round head. There's the bidding right there. It's key retaining. Key won't come out. And I've been working on this lock now for about a week, every day for about a week, and I finally yesterday I got it. It's only 5 pins, but I was doing some things wrong, and I didn't realize it, and so yesterday I kind of realized everything I was doing, and so I started popping it open. The fastest time I have is a minute and 20 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna do that today because I'm talking, but I wanted to try and pick an ASSA Ruko, and so I was sending out messages to some of my YouTube friends, and a couple of guys responded, and one of them was BosnianBill. He sent me this lock, and another friend of mine, Thor, he sent me a cylinder, so that's pretty cool. And I've opened it yesterday. I probably opened it about 20 or 30 times. And the plug has I don't know if you call it serrations, or if you would call it counter milling. I'm not sure if there's a difference between counter milling and serrations, but I'll try and show you here in a minute. And the screw in here is one of these weird little star screws. So you just put it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and stick the key back in there just so. Okay. Okay. And it's got a little half moon. Got a little half moon clip right here. And I'm gonna stick the follower. All the key pins are all standard. Oh, and this is what I was going to show you. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not, but I don't know if you can see or not, but there's serrations in there on it. Every single one of the chambers has serrations in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. I need a better camera. But yeah, there's serrations, counter milling. I don't know. Okay, so 5 standards, and then the ones on top are just I call them barrel pins, but somebody told me that Actually, ASSA doesn't make barrel pins, so I'm not sure what these are. Maybe double spools or something. And if anybody can tell me what's correct, just leave it in the comments. So there you go, guys. It's only a 5-pinner, but it's got these cool pins right here. Can you see that? Cool. All 5 of them are like that, and plus the counter milling and the plug. So thank you very much to BosnianBill for the lock. I appreciate it, and thanks to you guys for watching, man. I appreciate it. All right, later.